Hello, hi, this is Sudha here. I have been diagnosed with multiple sclerosis since 2008. It started with a double vision. Then when I did an MRI, it was confirmed that it is MS. I have been on interferons and oral tablets over the last 16 years now, and it has been working fine. But there have been a lot of other things that have been happening in between. Like, despite no new lesions coming in or being a stable MS, what happened was for the last 5-6 years, there was a deterioration in my ability to walk. So earlier it started with less number of time that I could walk. From 1 hour, it became 45 minutes and 35 and so on till it became less than 5 minutes that I could walk. There was a lot of foot dragging that was happening. And subsequently I had to use a walking stick for the last 1 year to be more stable so that I do not encounter any more falls. Apart from that, in 2020, I also developed this trigeminal neuralgia, which is something you get in the side of your jaw, a pain. The pain is like a lightning that is shooting through inside your mouth. And it is very severe, although it lasts for a few seconds. But it is so severe that there is nothing else you can think of other than the pain that is there. And for this, I have been taking some tablet called as carbamazepine, which helps to keep the pain away at times. But the minute you stop the medications, again within 5 days the pain starts to come again. And you have to continue to take the medicines. So with these were the difficulties that I had when suddenly I got to know from a friend of mine that there is this lovely place out here in Kerala, which is a center only to treat multiple sclerosis. So then I called up the person who had been here before, and they had given very good feedback on the kind of improvements that they could see out here when they were at Ayush Prana. So with just this information, I decided to come to Ayush Prana, and now it is 60 days since I have been here undergoing the treatments under Dr. Prashant and the other excellent junior doctors who have also been continuously monitoring the process that has been happening and also giving instructions on various lifestyle behaviors that could be incorporated to improve the quality of treatment. And now it is after 60 days, what I can say is that I have stopped using the stick. I am able to walk more stably in a stable manner without using the stick. Second, the trigeminal pain that I had come that was so debilitating. It is now almost 60 days or 58 days that I have not taken the medicine for the pain, and the pain is also not there. So that is such a big relief as I am going home, that I can look forward to being without this pain, and also looking forward to walking more stably. Since there is also an improvement in the ease of walking, there is a lot of pleasure in walking and trying to climb the stairs, because it is so much more easier to walk now than what it used to be before. And I am hoping that, as Dr. Prashant and the team mentions, that over a period of next 3 to 4 months, with all the medication, this is only going to improve. So I look forward for more improvement till I can come for the next time and again look for the next level of further improvements. So I think I'm very grateful for having come across Ayush Prana, grateful for the person who told me about the Ayush Prana and all the treatment that I have had out here. And similar experiences I've also seen with the fellow MS patients who have been also here for treatment. So I wish the entire Ayush Prana team all the best, and they continue to make such great progresses in MS, and they find newer and newer ways of managing the disease in a much better manner. Thank you.